I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new project into your Worckie company. So I'm going to go to the left-hand side of the screen and I'm going to click Projects. And here you can view all existing projects and you can create additional new projects. I'm going to create a new project by going to the top green button with the plus sign that says Add Project, and I'm going to click that. And inside here, I have to come up with a project name, and then I can provide a description of that project. Once you put your description in there, you need to decide on a deadline of when you want the project to be completed. Remember that when you set the deadline, it includes the date and the time that you want the project completed. Next, you need to decide what department this project goes into. If the department doesn't exist, you can click the green button that has the plus sign on it and create a department on the fly. The next item is to add members. If you want to add members into this project because they're involved with completing tasks for the project, you can click the blue members button, and that will show you who is actually a part of the project already, and it allows you to add additional members into the project. Once all of that's configured, you just click Create. And now the project is created. There's a few things that you can do with the project. So on the project card, there are triple dots. If you click those triple dots, you have the ability to edit the project. You can look at the analytics or the progress of the project, or you can delete the project. You also have a mini toolbar right on the card. The first item is a Kanban, which allows you to start setting up tasks and organizing those tasks according to status. And you also have a project analytics icon that allows you to go in and look at the progress of that project. A couple of things to note. You'll see an indicator of whether this project is still open or if it's closed. You'll also see an indicator of when the project due date is. And you'll also see avatars indicating who is a member of this project. In the project dashboard, you have the ability to sort and filter the projects that you're looking at. You can create a specific order by, you can filter by status, you can filter by deadline, and you can filter by members. So that's how you create and manage projects inside of your Worckie company.